Problem 3, perpendicular at a point on a line. Construct the perpendicular to a given line at a given point on the line. We're given point P on line L. Doesn't really matter where P is or where L is. These are arbitrary geometric things. Our job is to construct line CP so that CP is perpendicular to L. Now we've constructed perpendicular segments in the past. We've constructed perpendicular bisectors, and we're going to use some of those same techniques. Step 1, we need to identify 2 points that are equidistant from the center point P. So we need to make P the center. In the past, if you remember, we were finding the perpendicular bisector of a segment. And what we did was we set the compass so that it was greater than halfway across the line segment, and then we made some arcs above and below. We then moved the compass, and we made some more arcs. And what we found was if we connected the intersection of those arcs, we ended up with a perpendicular bisector. What's different here is we don't have a line segment. We're beginning with a line and a point on the line. What we need are, we label these P and L. What we need are points that are equidistant from P, and then we can use the exact same technique we used before in order to, well, we'll treat these like endpoints of a line segment, and then we'll do the same construction. And you can see that here. Setting the compass at the left-hand point, ensuring the compass is open wider than halfway, making an arc, a mark above. And it turns out in this case you don't have to make a mark below because we already have P as a target point to line up with the marks we make above. So your job now, use a straight edge to draw line EF. Construct line FG so that FG is perpendicular to EF at the point F.